find the following integrals. So these three integrals are given as a worked out problems in the textbooks. So we shall see how to solve these three problems. To solve the integration problems, we shall use these two properties of integration and this formula of integration. So this property says that integration of f of x plus g of x dx, that is integration of summation of two functions, is equal to integration of the first function plus integration of the second function. It also holds good for if there is a summation of 3 function or 4 function or finite summation of certain number of functions. Then the second property is integration of a k into f of x, that is where k is a constant. A constant into a function is equal to, the constant is taken outside and you integrate the function. Then we use the standard formula for integrating that function, that is integration of x to the power of m is equal to integration of x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus the constant of integration c. Now we shall solve the first problem, x cube minus 1 divided by x square dx. To solve this solution, so we know the standard formula of integration. So what is the standard formula of integration? It is x to the power of n dx is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus the constant of integration c. So that is the standard formula of integration. So to use this formula, you know that to use this formula we now need x in terms of n to the power of n. So but here you are having x cube minus 1 divided by x square. So first what we have to do is we have to write this x cube minus 1 divided by x square in terms of x raised to some power of n, so that we can apply the formula. Okay, so that is equal to, so we shall simplify this. How we shall simplify? X cube minus 1 divided by x square can be written as x cube divided by x square minus 1 divided by x square. This is because if you take the common denominator of x cube divided by x square minus 1 divided by x square, if you take the common denominator and simplify, x square is a common denominator. So x square into 1, so x cube into 1 is x cube minus x square 1 is x square, so 1 1 is 1. So therefore x cube divided by x square minus 1 divided by x square, if you take the common denominator, you get x cube minus 1 divided by x square, x cube minus 1 divided by x square. So therefore that means this term x cube minus 1 divided by x square can be written as x cube divided by x square minus 1 divided by x square. But now again, to apply the formula we need that x in terms of n, x raised to the power of n. So we can now further simplify it. So we have this rule of exponent, the rule of exponent. So what is that rule of exponent? A to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. We have this rule of exponent. So if you apply this rule, so x cube divided by x square is equal to, when you apply this rule, so in the place of a you are having x, in the place of m it is 3 minus in the place of n it is 2. So therefore x cube divided by x square, by using this rule of exponent, can be written as x to the power of 3 minus 2 minus, again we have another rule, 1 divided by a to the power of m is 1 divided by, is a to the power of minus m. So therefore 1 divided by x square can be written as x raised to the power of minus, what is m? M is 2. So therefore you can write 1 divided by x square as x raised to the power of minus 2. So that is nothing but x to the power of 3 minus 2 is 1 minus x to the power of minus 2. That means x cube minus 1 divided by x square can be written in terms of x as x minus x to the power of minus 2. So therefore integration of x cube minus 1 divided by x square dx is same as writing integration of x cube minus 1 divided by x square is same as writing x minus x to the power of minus 2. So therefore x minus x to the power of minus 2 dx. Now we have this rule of integration, that is integration of f of x plus g of x dx is equal to integration of f of x dx plus integration of g of x dx. We have this standard rule of integration. So integration of addition of two function or subtraction of two function is integration of the first function plus the integration of the second function. Therefore when you compare it, in the place of f of x we are having, in the place of f of x you are having x, and in the place of g of x you are having it as x to the power of minus 2. So instead of plus you are having minus, that's the difference. So when you apply the formula, so integration of x minus x square to the power of minus 2 dx can be written as integration of f of x. What is f of x? F of x is x dx plus, instead of plus you are having here minus integration of x to the power of minus 2 dx. Okay, that is equal to, now you can apply the standard rule of integration, that's x to the power of integration of x to the power of n dx is x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus the constant of integration c, that is x to the power of 1. So instead of what is n here, here n is equal to 1, so it is 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 minus integration of x to the power of minus 2 is x to the power of n plus 1. What is n? In the second integral, it is n is minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So plus the constant of integration c. So that is x square divided by 2 minus minus 2 plus 1 is x to the power of minus 1 divided by minus 1 plus the constant of integration c. So if you simplify further, that is x square by 2, here minus into minus it will become plus, x to the power of minus 1 can be written as 1 divided by x plus the constant of integration c. So this is how you solve. Now solving the second problem, that is integral of x to the power of 2 by 3 plus 1 dx. So we have integration of x to the power of 2 by 3 plus 1 dx. So here we shall apply the, see first term, there is no need of simplification of each term because first term is in the power of x, x to the power of 2 by 3 plus 1, a constant. So both can be, the first term can also be integrated by using standard formula, as well as the second term can also be integrated by using the standard formula. The thing is we need to apply the rule of integration, that is integration of f of x plus g of x dx is equal to integration of f of x dx plus integration of g of x dx. So we have to apply this rule. So what we are having, integration of 2 by 3 plus 1 dx. So when you compare what we are having, the first term we are having f of x as x to the power of 2 by 3, and we are having g of x is equal to 1. So if you apply this rule, integration of f of x plus g of x dx is integration of f of x dx plus integration of g of x dx. So when you apply this rule, so it is integration of f of x. What is f of x? F of x is x to the power of 2 by 3 dx plus integration of g of x. G of x is 1. So 1 into dx. So this is how you write according to this rule. So now you can use the standard formula. What is the standard formula? Integration of x to the power of n dx is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus the constant of integration c. So here the first integral is x to the power of 2 by 3. So it is x raised to the power of some power. So according to, we can apply this formula. So according to this formula, it is x to the power of 2 by 3 plus 1. So what is in the first integral? What is n? N is equal to 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 plus 1 plus, we know that integration of dx is 1 into dx is x. So plus the constant of integration c. So or else if we get confused with the integration of 1 dx, we can say that integration of 1 dx can also be written as integration of x to the power of 0 into dx, because what is x to the power of 0? X to the power of 0 is 1. So if we apply the formula, it is x to the power of 0 plus 1 divided by 0 plus 1 plus the constant of integration c. So x to the power of 0 plus 1 is x divided by 0 plus 1 is 1, or x by 1, or it is simply x. So therefore x plus the constant of integration c. For both the integrals, we are writing a common constant of integration. So that is equal to, so now you simplify 2 by 3 plus 1. So 2 by 3 plus 1, if you take the common denominator, so the common denominator will be 3. So 3 ones are, so 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3s are 3. So therefore 2 plus 3 is 5 by 3. So therefore it is x to the power of 5 by 3 divided by 5 by 3 plus x plus c. So we know that a divided by b divided by c divided by d can be written as a by b into c by d. So therefore we can write this as x to the power of 5 by 3 divided by 1 divided by 5 by 3. So that is equal to x to the power of 5 by 3 divided by 1 is 1 into 3 by 5 plus x plus c. So it is 3 into x to the power of 5 by 3 divided by 5 plus x plus c. That is a solution. Now we shall solve the third problem, that is x to the power of integration of x to the power of 3 by 2 plus 2 into e to the power of x minus 1 by x dx. So first we know that we have the standard rule of integration. Integration of f of x plus g of x plus h of x dx is integration of the first function plus the integration of the second function plus the integration of the third function. Okay, so when you compare the given integral with this, so what is f of x? F of x is x to the power of 3 by 2. So the second function g of x is 2 into e to the power of x, and h of x is 1 by x. And we know that the first term can be solved using the standard formula x to the power of n. The second term, if we have the standard formula of integration of e to the power of x is e to the power of x, as well as we know that integration of 1 by x is log x. So therefore for each term we have the standard formula of integration which can be applied. So therefore to apply that, we should first apply this rule of integration. So that is integration of x to the power of 3 by 2 plus 2 into integration of 2 into e to the power of x minus 1 by x dx can be written as integration of the first function. What is the first function? In the place of f of x, you are having x to the power of 3 by 2 dx plus integration of the second function. Second function is 2 into e to the power of x dx. Instead of plus it is minus, so integration of 1 by x dx. Okay, so we also know that integrations of from k into f of x dx, we know that integration of k into k, where k is some constant, f of x dx is equal to, we take that constant outside the integral and integrate that function. So therefore integration of x to the power of 3 by 2 dx plus, here 2 is constant, so e to the power of x is a function which has to be integrated, so we can take 2 outside the integral and write as 2 into e to the power of x dx minus integration of 1 by x dx. Now apply the formula. So we know that integration of x to the power of 3 by 2, so it is in the form x to the power of n. So what is n in the first function? N is 3 by 2. So it is x to the power of 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2 plus 1 plus 2 into integration of e to the power of x. We know that standard formula of integration of e to the power of x is e to the power of x minus integration of 1 by x is log x plus the constant of integration c. Okay, so if you simplify 3 by 2 plus 1, that is equal to 2 is a common denominator, so 2 ones are 2, so 3 ones are 3 plus 1 2s are 2, so it is 2, so that is nothing but 5 by 2. So it is x to the power of 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 plus 2 into e to the power of x minus log x plus the constant of integration c. So we know that a by b divided by c by d can be written as a by b into c by d. Okay, so here x to the power of 5 by 2 can be written as x to the power of 5 by 2 divided by 1 is nothing but x to the power of 5 by 2 itself. So therefore I can write x to the power of 5 by 2 as x to the power of 5 by 2 divided by 1 divided by 5 by 2. So according to the rule, it is x to the power of 5 by 2 by 1 into 2 by 5. So it is nothing but, so 2 into x to the power of 5 by 2, 1 5 is a 5, so 5 plus 2 into e to the power of x minus log x plus the constant of integration c. So these are the worked examples given in the textbook.